Nature Jadd here, coming to you from Sahalie Falls. This beautiful waterfall is full from the springtime runoff, leading to blue waters and a wild plume of mist that wets even the most dry visitors. Now, legend has it that this area of natural wonder is haunted by a Sahalie Falls narwhal that comes out and spears unlikely travelers, or at least travelers who dared to say the phrase Sahalie Falls, that's off the walls 3 times. But I don't believe in such nonsense, so let's give it a shot. Sahalie Falls, that's off the walls. Sahalie Falls, that's off the walls. Sahalie Falls, that's off the walls. Nature Jadd has died.